Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of the very green lockdown. You'll see I'm in a different location today because I'm finally making my way out and getting to the supermarket, and I'm going to show you some supermarket swaps you can make to be more environmentally friendly, but also in some cases to save money. So I've got my mask and I've got my reusable shopping bag. Let's go. So let's start with veg. We should always try and buy loose veg. And there's a price benefit. If we look at the plastic wrapped onions, they're 2.21 per kilogram. Loose is 85p per kilogram. It's a no-brainer. And we've got apples here. Now, not only do we want them to be loose, but we also want them to be British. So these are in. Now, it's good for us to stock up on the staples such as flour. I have all sorts of flour in my cupboard, and this is a good one, strong white flour, to make breads, pizzas, and other things that I might need. So we're going to have a bag of that. Also handy that it's a paper bag, so no plastic. For those of you that either can't make your own bread from scratch or don't have time, visit the reduced section. If you go to the supermarket late at night, you can get your bread reduced. This loaf's only 25p, so we're reducing food waste. Now we want to get some breaded cod, and this is in a cardboard box with the cod loose inside, so no plastic packaging. And it's cheap too. Visit the frozen section for vegan and veggie meals. There is an absolutely huge selection here of different things. We've got Naked Glory sausages, we've got Richmond's replacement sausages, heck, corn, all different types, so there's plenty to choose from and try out. Let's see, what am I going to go for? Oh, I think that looks good. Linda McCartney's chorizo and red pepper sausages, yummy. Stick those in the bag. And why not, let's get some dippers, green cuisine. The replacement chicken dippers are surprisingly chicken-like. Oh, and of course, green cuisine burgers. Now onto dairy. We've got Elmlia cream here, which is alternative cream, lasts until all the way till 3rd of June. Much better. We can't get yogurt in glass jars here like some supermarkets, so it's better to buy in bulk. We'll buy a big tub of yogurt. Oh, I've never seen these before. Flora plant butter, 100% plant-based. Well, I'm going to have to give these a go. You learn something new every day, every supermarket trip. Of course, we've got some alternative milks here as well, long-lasting, and I like oat milk. It lasts ages, so give it a go. Right, this is where the environmental supermarket shop comes into its own, jars and cans. So I want to get curry, but we don't want a curry sauce jar because it doesn't go as fast. So I like to get the pastes. So you can make them up into bigger batches of your favourite curry. This rule also goes for sauces like pasta sauces. And I go for the cheapy tomato sauces, which are only 64p a jar. And you know that all of these jars are going to be recyclable. And you can even reuse them for other tasks. And look, we've got lots of canned chopped tomatoes. A brilliant staple for the sauces. Oh, pasta. This is controversial, so much plastic. But if we look closely, you should be able to find some in cardboard boxes from my new favourite brand, Barilla. So we're going to get some spaghetti and some penne. And take note, they used to have a plastic window. They were written to by customers and now they don't. Same goes for rice, lots of plastic. But if you look closely, good old Uncle Ben's, he has a big cardboard box with a kilogram pack and there's a slot in it so you can pour out your rice loose. Now I need some tomato puree for my pizzas. But look at the price of the non-recyclable plastic. 4.82 per kilo for the plastic one. Only 1.98 per kilo for the cans. That's like half the price at least. It's a no-brainer. And the cans are so cute. Now instead of buying sachets of spices, why not experiment and try your own spices? They're all in glass jars, so recyclable again. Now I'm on the hunt for my favourite sauces. Where's my salad cream? It's in here somewhere. Ooh, a vegan version, and it's in a glass bottle. I have to give this a go. And barbecue sauce. I need barbecue sauce and glass bottle. It's always here when you look. So I'm back from the supermarket, and I have here my eco-friendly, as much as possible environmentally friendly products from the supermarket that I showed you in the video. So we have the bread, the alternative plant butter, which I'm going to give a go, apples and lime. I've got some chopped tomatoes, tikka paste, dressing sauces, Elmia single cream, the spaghetti in cardboard and penne, the strong white flour, the other pasta sauces, multiple of the vegan alternative meals, and breaded cod, and the 1 kilogram of rice, and the reduced bread. And all of this comes to a total of £28.49, and will probably last me and my boyfriend about just over 2 weeks, with obviously some items such as the flour potentially lasting longer. And we do supplement this with veg box deliveries and other things. The great thing about getting so many things in jars and cans as well is that it will all last a lot longer. So other than the fresh fruit and the bread, which we'll use up quite quickly, everything else here will last a really long time. So that's it for today, guys. I'll see you back tomorrow for another day of the Very Green Lockdown. Click subscribe for more updates. Bye.